This short video will show you how the advanced integration works between Fixflo and QubePM when an issue is resolved using the Fixflo workflows. The issue will be reported on Fixflo either by the occupier, or alternatively you will raise this for them against the relevant building or unit. Both the agent and the occupier will receive an email at the time that the issue is reported. The issue will then sit on your Fixflo site as a reported issue. It will be resolved on Fixflo using the workflows available. Once the issue has been instructed onto a contractor, the issue will be pushed into QubePM as a purchase order. On Fixflo, the issue status will automatically update to job awarded awaiting appointment date. This will sync almost instantaneously and will provide other members of the team an understanding of what is going on Fixflo. On the purchase order on Cube, you will be able to see the contractor details, the works authorization limit, the issue title, the instruction notes, and the cost code. Please note that the works authorization limit will reserve funds from the fund schedule heading associated with the block. On QubePM, this will be known as property. At this time, the status of the purchase order on Cube will show as active. You can also find this on Cube by clicking on Purchase Ledger, Supplier Accounts, select the instructed supplier, and then click on Orders. It's important to highlight here that when a job is instructed onto a contractor on Fixflo, a pre-instruction check will be carried out for you at this point. This ensures that there is enough in the current year's budget to pay for the works. If there is enough to cover the cost, then a message will show to let you know that there is a sufficient amount available within the pot. If there is not enough available, then the following message will show. This is highlighting that there are not sufficient funds to complete this job. At this stage, you can still continue to progress the job if you wish. When asked to check the float amount, an audit trail entry will be created within the audit trail on Fixflo, and this will be time and date stamped. Please note that there are multiple cost codes which can be set up on Fixflo, and you can even let Fixflo know how much from the authorization limit will be needed from each fund. If this feature is utilised, then the system will be able to tell you if you have sufficient funds from each pot. The issue will then continue to be progressed on Fixflo, and once the issue has been marked as closed on Fixflo, the invoice and costs which were added onto Fixflo by the contractor will show within the register journal or the journal for the relevant item. This will depend on the configuration which you have set up. This will include dates, the issue title, costs, and the invoice document will be attached. The status of the purchase order on Cube will remain as active throughout its journey, even once the issue has been marked as closed on Fixflo. If an instructed job is cancelled before invoicing, then Fixflo will cancel the purchase order. This will unreserve the funds in QubePM. As contractors can upload invoices when they complete jobs on Fixflo, we would recommend that you amend your invoicing and cost settings on Fixflo, ensuring that contractors always upload an invoice when completing a job. Administrator users can do this within Fixflo by clicking on Setup, Settings, expanding the General tab, and selecting either Uploaded or Generated within Fixflo, or Generated within Fixflo on the default contractor invoice options dropdown, and also amending the default contractor cost options to provide costs. These settings must then be saved here. A full audit trail of the issue will be available on the Audit tab of each issue on Fixflo. Thank you for watching.